In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any photo, just click on it. If you can't find it here, select folders instead. Look for your photos over here and click on the chosen one to add it to your message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!